Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of literal Dal Chawal with you. So this is a classic restaurant combo, that is Jeera rice and Dal Fry. This is a most common Indian food combo that we eat at restaurants or dhaba. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. Let's start with the recipe of the Jeera rice. So first heat water and bring it to a boil. After the water boils, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Then add 1.5 cup of Basmati rice soaked for 30 minutes. Boil and cook the rice. Our rice is perfectly cooked now. Strain and remove the water. Keep it aside. Now in a pan, heat 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. To that add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds or jeera, 3 slit green chillies and saute for 2 minutes. Now add the cooked rice. Add more salt if needed and few chopped coriander leaves. Gently mix everything. Be sure not to break the rice. See how perfect our jeera rice looks. Serve it hot. And our delicious restaurant style jeera rice is ready now. This is so perfect to have every day also. Now let's prepare the dal fry. For making dal fry, I am taking 3 types of dal. In a pressure cooker, add 1/4 cup each of soaked chana dal, moong dal and toor dal. Then add 2 cups of water, half inch of ginger chop, 2 slit green chillies, 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cover and pressure cook on medium flame until 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, let the steam release by itself. Our dal is perfectly cooked now. Keep it aside. Now in a kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. To that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 chopped green chillies, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 onions finely chopped. Saute till the onions turn golden brown. Then add 1 tablespoon of Kasoori methi. Saute for a few seconds. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute till the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Now let's add the spices. Add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Saute and cook the spices for a minute. Then add the cooked dal. Mix well with the masala. Add water to adjust consistency if required. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. After it boils, add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a final mix. Serve it hot in a serving bowl. Now let's prepare the final tadka. In a tadka pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. To that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 dried red chili and half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix well. After everything splutters, add this tadka over the dal. This gives perfect aroma and color to our dal. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves and serve hot. Our delicious dal fry is ready now. The taste of this dal fry is so amazing. This is completely restaurant or dhaba style. You can definitely try this recipe yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.